Today we're going to do a quick little safety video on how to connect a butane power gas push fitting cartridge to the push fitting torch. So first of all, we're going to make sure that the gas control valve is turned fully clockwise to the off position. And we're just going to have a quick look at the connection to make sure it's all in good order. And also have a look at the valve on the can to make sure that that's also in good order, which it is. Then we're going to connect the two together. So to do that, there's a locating pin on the torch and a notch out of the can here, and they've got to line up. So put them together and then rotate the torch in a clockwise direction to lock it into place, and you'll feel it stop. So once you're there, check for any leaks to make sure we've got a good seal, and we're going to use the Tradeflame gas leak detection spray. And all we'll do here is just give it a bit of a quick spray around the connection here and make sure that there is no bubbles appearing in this area, which there isn't. So we can assume there's no gas leak there and we are right to go. Okay, so now that we've ensured that there's no gas leaks and the torch is in the off position, we just need to make sure that before we ignite it, we turn the torch into a position away from our body and we check our surroundings to make sure there's nothing flammable. Once we're happy there, we can turn anti-clockwise about a quarter of a turn and press the ignition trigger. That will ignite the torch. So to control the length of the flame, clockwise to reduce the flame, and to increase the flame, it's an anti-clockwise direction. After the torch has been in operation for 15 seconds, it will actually be able to be inverted, and you can actually use an inverted position. And to extinguish the flame, all we need to do is rotate the control knob in a clockwise direction back to the off position. Okay, so now that the torch has been turned off for a little while and it's been allowed to cool, with the control knob in the off position, basically to disassemble it, it's simply a matter of anti-clockwise a small turn and lift the torch off. So once you've removed the torch, just simply replace the cap onto the cartridge to keep it clean for the next use. And just remember, always disconnect the torch from the cartridge after use for safety reasons.